Okay guys, welcome to another video. This is Khan TV and I'm jobless Azubike. Okay, today we are to cook the perfect Nigerian fried rice recipe. It's very easy and simple, and you just have to make your fried rice this way, and it won't get bad or get spoiled if you make your fried rice just this way. I'm going to make this fried rice. Yeah, this recipe is so good. Like, if you try it, I bet you're going to thank me. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. But what you need to do is to like this video, subscribe, and that's it. Okay guys, these are the list of ingredients that I'm going to be using in cooking our fried rice, but do wait to check on the description box. I'm going to leave the list of it there. I have my veggies here, I have my butter, you can use margarine, I have my vegetable oil, I have my green chili pepper, my ginger and garlic, my white onion, my thyme, my curry, my garlic, ginger and garlic powder, my bell pepper, and my bell peppers. Okay, this is my protein. I'm using chicken in this video. First of all, what you need to do is to wash your rice. Wash it, let it be very neat. Then you add it in a pot. Then you put in your stock. Then after that, you need to add in some water, and also add in your seasonings. After adding some seasonings, you're going to add your pepper and salt to taste. Quickly, it has been boiling, but it seems like the rice is not ready, so I'm going to add more water to it. So it's ready. I'm going to bring it down. You can see it's nice. Look at the perfect color it's giving, right? So I'm just going to cover this for a few minutes for it to dry up a bit. Then I'm going to chop some of my veggies, my red bell pepper. I'm going to chop it just this way. Do it to play around with the sizes just the way you want it. So this is my yellow bell pepper. You want to cut it just same way the way I cut the red bell pepper. Then I'm going to keep it aside. Please guys, if this is your first time to join us here on Khan TV, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, yeah, and share. Thank you. Yeah, so this is my green bay pepper. I'm going to cut it just same way I did the others. So I'm going to cut my green chili pepper. Please guys, share this video. Thank you. And like and subscribe if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'm going to cut my white onion in a very big cubes. So these are my veggies now. So what you're gonna do, you're going to heat up a pan. After doing that, you're going to add in some vegetable oil. The vegetable oil I used is the one I use in frying my protein. Yeah, so don't mind the color. It's the one I use in frying my protein. You allow it to heat a bit, then before adding in your chopped onion, then allow it to fry for about 5 to 10 minutes for it to bring out some lovely flavors. You're gonna stir this, stir this, stir this before going in with those your veggies. I'm going to be keeping that aside for decoration after the fried rice is almost ready. So I'm going to add in my bell peppers and my chili, my green chili pepper. Then I'm going to fry this for another 10 minutes before going in with my ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to fry this for another 10 minutes, allow it to bring out some lovely flavors. Then add in my spice. Allow this to fry for about 5 minutes. Then add in some cubes, some seasoning cubes to taste, then a little bit of salt. Remember, we added salt in our rice, so you have to be very careful the way you're seasoning this, so it won't, you won't mess up the whole thing. Yeah, so we just have to fry this for another 5 minutes before adding in our rice. So I've started adding in my rice. We add it. Then we just have to stir for all the veggies to mix properly. Let all mix properly. Please guys, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you. It really helps the YouTube algorithm if you like this video. So if you've not liked when I said like, please do it to like now. So guys, now I'm using a wooden spoon to do all the whole mixing. I'm going to fry this for about 30 minutes. I just want it to be a bit crunchy. I'm going to fry this for a longer time. When you fry your fried rice, it doesn't get bad. Trust me, you know, it always get bad. Our fried rice always get bad. It doesn't stay long and it gets bad. This is the time I added the remaining veggies for decoration. So I just have to like stir this for more than like 10 minutes again. Yeah, so when you fry your fried rice this way, it doesn't get bad. Trust me, if you try this recipe at home, you're going to testify. So guys, this is the point that we add in our butter. If you have margarine, you can use. So I'm going to fry this for about 10 minutes. Allow it to like, it helps, this butter helps to make it shine and also helps to bring out some flavor when you're eating it. Like the taste will be amazing. So you have to fry your fried rice and it won't get bad. Like if you fry it very well, it won't get bad. It can stay for as long as you want, like it doesn't get bad. So guys, like this video, tell me what you think of this recipe. Will you try it at home? Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to see you in another video. I love you. Bye bye.